The Northwest Shelf Flatback Turtle Conservation Program reaches youth and communities all across Western Australia through our various outreach and education programs. Flatback turtles don't just appear everywhere. They are very special to us here in Western Australia, and providing opportunity both for Perth-based schools as well as locally based schools to experience them is really important for the future of this species.
So we reach out to people from all backgrounds, all ages, everywhere in Australia, to try to increase awareness about turtles across the community. And of course, kids are always essential in that kind of programs because they are the ones that will look after the turtles in a few years' time. And also they are always fantastic to have here. They are happy to help and really be part of the program. So they learn fast, right? Big kids.
Community support and awareness is paramount to conservation success. So the Northwest Shelf Flatback Turtle Conservation Program, obviously we work with the Nunala Aboriginal Corporation, we work with Roban High School, we work with even Karratha High School as well, Roban PCYC. We're really trying to get out there and extend our outreach within the community. We're not just doing that here, we're working with local communities up in Broome, down in Onslow, and we also work with community groups up in Port Hedland.
One of the priorities that our program has is to engage Aboriginal young people and support them to get back out on country that is otherwise inaccessible.
This was a really awesome opportunity for the boys to put into practice some of the skills they'd learned through education sessions that we'd organised at Clontarf, educate them about conservation and career opportunities, and also introduce a little bit of culture with the traditional owners that are out here and allow those boys to learn some of those skills as well and just develop their passion for conservation.
Yeah, so bringing kids out here would be one of the best things for them, because I get to, as a traditional owner, I get to remind them about our culture. We talk about where we're walking, where we're going. Yeah, I guess they got more freedom. Yeah. There's a lot more freedom here. This is like a healing. Like I'm coming back, I'm home.
We look forward to working with more local schools, communities and organisations into the future. That is really important for being able to protect our threatened wildlife here in Australia.